I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girly! So today's video we're going to be trying out some new clothes. Y'all, it is fall time officially. It is getting cold here where I live. I kid you not, it was 40 degrees. I know some people might be like, girl, it's snowing here. It is -5. But for me, like if it's under 65, I am shaking my bones off. So today we're going to be trying some new clothes from Halara. I got their new denim as well as their new shiny leggings and then some other stuff that they already had on their website. We're about to do a little try on haul real quick, and if you guys see anything that you like, I will have everything, of course, linked down below. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this package. Y'all, I'm actually going on a little trip in like 2 days. Where I'm going is gonna be like -30. Your girl needed to get some new pants and leggings, so the timing is perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and start with our first item. Here's how the packaging comes. I'm honestly obsessed with like dark wash jeans right now. I want to get the exact name of this for you guys. These are the HalaraMagic high-waisted crossover pocket washed stretchy knit denim casual super flare pants. Everything's going to be linked below, so you don't have to go and type all that in. They have these in regular, petite, and tall. I got these in a size small, tall. Girl, hold on a minute. Girl, hold on a minute! These pants got me feeling like Selena. I looked at their sizing chart. I was kind of scared because it said that I was a size small, but so I had the impression that these were probably going to be way too tight, but they actually fit absolutely perfect. And these are real pockets, by the way. So they're not like the fake, like stitched on pocket. All the tall girlies out there, I'm 5'9", and as you can see, I have like longer legs compared to my like torso. So these are definitely going to be good. Just the way it like cinches in, girl, it's giving me hips. I love that they actually have a range of sizing. So the ones that I just tried on, they have extra small all the way up to 4X. On to the next item. These ones I ended up getting in a size medium. So like I said, make sure you check the charts. For the next item, these are the HalaraMagic mid-rise button pockets stretchy knit casual slight flare jeans. These are an extra small to extra large. Of course, I had to get them in the washed denim black color because I said I'm obsessed with that right now. Let's try them on. So here are the jeans. Super stretchy. That's what I love. Like, girl, we have stretch. We have room to eat. They are a flare bottom, just like the other ones. Let's go ahead and try on some leggings next. When I saw these, I was like, I'm about to be a disco ball at the gym. Gym or Beyonce concert? These are their Cloudful Shine Fabric Mid-Rise Metallic Foil Print Stretchy Party Faux Leather Slight Flare Pants. These ones don't feature any pockets. Let's go ahead and try them on. So here are the pants. Let me back up a little bit for you guys. They are so shiny. They are just like a flare pant. They stop right at my ankle. So use that for your own size referencing. I honestly just wanted some more fun type of yoga pants. On to the next pair of leggings. These ones are in a size medium. It says full length. Okay, so these are some more of my shiny ones, but these are just like the regular type of end. These ones are the Cloudful Shine Fabric Crossover Black Pocket Foil Print Stretchy Casual Faux Leather Leggings. And I got these in shiny Dusk Black. So far, everything I've tried on has been really, really comfortable, and they do claim that they have a 4-way stretch, so you're not going to have to worry about anything ripping or tearing during a squat. I'm putting them on right now, and at first I was kind of skeptical, like, are these really going to give me that like faux leather effect just from how they looked out of the packaging? But now that I see them on the skin, let me just show you. Like I said, I got these in a medium, and they fit really nice. Got the right size. These are so freaking comfortable. Let me do a squat test. They're stretching. This crisscross effect that they have going on the front of some of these leggings and pants. The chef's kiss. For it being faux leather, looks pretty good. They feature a little pocket right here in the back so you can put any of your cards, your driver's license. I low-key feel like I don't even have leggings on right now. That's how buttery and nice they feel. Let's go ahead and try a top on. So this top I actually saw somebody wearing on TikTok, so that's why I grabbed this one. This is the ribbed halter strap thumb hole cropped yoga sports top. I got this in a size medium. So cute. Let's try it on. I don't have any sports tops. I just usually wear like an old t-shirt. This is so cute. Let me show you. This is how the top looks. It fits so nice. It does have like little padding in there so you don't have to, you know, worry about anything poking through. Love it. Love the little thumb holes. So I don't have any sort of like athletic type of tops. I just have like a bunch of leggings and like old t-shirts that I use. Now that I'm really getting into my whole fitness game, you guys are gonna see me like doing a couple more of these types of hauls. That I'm like full-fledged into fitness, I'm now like actually starting to invest in like buy fitness type stuff. When you guys work out, do you work out at home? Do you go to the gym? Let me know down below. I have been doing a lot of like at-home workouts, but I'm finally feeling comfortable enough to go to the gym. The reason I don't like to go to the gym is because, do I even have to explain? I got some biker shorts. Like, girl, come on, you know I had to get some biker shorts. I got these in the color medium. These are their Cloudful ones, and look at the back. You see that scrunch? You see that scrunch? You already know that's gonna make the booty look real nice. Let's try them on. Another 10 out of 10. Girl, I might not be able to get out the house in these. Anthony might have something to say. The scrunch in the back is definitely giving me more of like a look. I have these in so many colors. I will be going and purchasing every single one because, girl, these are so nice. Ugh. They're not rising up, they're not moving. I've got more things to try on, but I'm probably gonna put this exact outfit back on when I run my errands. Okay, so we're going back to the dark wash denim aesthetic look, but this time we actually have some like jean type leggings. I remember when jeggings came out. I mean, I'm sure they like originally came out probably in like the 70s or 60s or something, but I remember when the big like jegging era happened when I was in like end of middle school, early high school. These are the HalaraMagic high-waisted backside pocket stretchy knit denim casual legging. These come in extra small to 4X, and you could get the 4 to 7 length, or we can get them in capri. And these come in like 5 different colors, by the way. So most of the jean items you saw, or literally everything, there's a variety. You don't like the color that I'm showing, but you definitely love the fit. There's options. But here's the leggings. They fit super nice. The pockets in the front are not real, but the ones on the back definitely are. As you can see, they kind of stop right above my ankle. These ones just kind of have like the straight band going across. It's not like that kind of effect, but they look nice. I like them. They're super comfortable. For my girls out there that like, you know, a regular denim color, we got some of that too. These ones I actually got in the capri length. So the previous leggings, how they just had that like straightaway band, these ones actually have the like crisscross effect. So let's try these on. I actually got these in a medium, I think. Oh no, these are a small. Yes, 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 another good fit. For some reason, my camera cut out the rest of the try on, but you guys, this waistband, I love this crisscross waistband. These fit so good. Okay, we have 2 more items to try on. Let's go ahead and try these on next. These are the shiny midnight leggings. You guys saw that I got those other leggings in like a shiny midnight black, so these ones are actually like the blue kind of effect. Shimmer in it, so it makes it more fun. And these ones are in more of like a capri style. So these ones have actually become my favorite workout leggings for some reason. They just fit so nice and buttery on the skin. I don't feel like I'm wearing leggings. I love them. So as you guys can see, they definitely deliver high quality products at an affordable price. Everything fits pretty true to size, I would say, and everything was very comfortable. Something I really appreciate about these leggings, and I noticed on their website, they promote that they won't have a waist gap, so meaning that it's not going to fit you like way too tight in one area, so it's kind of like cinching uncomfortably. I know a lot of ladies know what I'm talking about, and I can definitely say that the leggings did not cause that. So that's everything that I have to show you guys. If y'all are interested in any of the products I showed you, make sure you check my description. I have all the links down there. I feel like I got everything I need as far as like bottoms for fall and winter, so if you guys are in need of those kind of products, check them out down below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you guys are interested in more try-on hauls and makeup videos or crazy story times, check out my channel, subscribe for more, leave a like as well, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!